Hey friends, this is Sai Srinu. Welcome to my mule sessions. This is part 2 of the data view operators. In the previous session, we take a use case called matrimony use case where Arun will get the bride's profiles from matrimony service and he iterated them using the map operator and saved to the CSV file, right? In this part, we discuss about few more operators, starting with the map object. So you are seeing screen here. I'm showing the map object transformation in the data view. So the requirement is Arun want to save the entire information that is coming from the matrimony service to an CSV file. So he want to save here. This is the structure of the data coming from the matrimony service. So if you observe this structure, it contains each bride information. So if the bride information contains bride name, age, education qualifications, height, city, these details should be as a column in the column name in the CSV file, right? And the corresponding value that should be as a record in the CSV file. We need to construct in such way. So to accomplish this task, you need to have access to both this name, key and value. Right? Key you need to make as a column name and values as a record. So using map object operator, you can have access to both keys and values. There is one difference between map operator and map object operator. Map operator used for an collection, for iterate the collection, and map object operator used to iterate a key value pairs. Here, in the entire response to iterate each bride, you can use a map operator. To iterate a one particular bride, you need to use the map object operator. So if you observe this transformation using the map operator iterating all the response, and for each, here a dot indicates for each bride. So first bride, I am applying the map object operator, and if you observe this statement, dollar indicates the key, right? Dollar indicates the key, and dollar indicates the value. All right, here key means name is the key, and dollar indicates the value. For that name, Rakulpreet is a value. So likewise, under each uh, column, the record got generated and CSV file is getting generated. So I will show you on the AnyPoint Studio. So this is the map object demo. So this is transformation map object demo, right? And here I am writing the CSV content to all brides.csv, and I exposed this at a endpoint. Map object is a path and 8081 is a port, right? So let me quickly send using the postman. Postman, I'm using the map object. So to this endpoint, I'm posting this data. Let me post. So here, this is the response. It's transformed to CSV content, and the CSV file is getting generated at all brides. The CSV file getting generated. You can see that CSV file, right? So this is a CSV file getting generated to entire response. Right. So this is about the map object, and next we move on to the pluck operator. So how pluck operator can be used to process this message? And in the map object, remember, this name, this is a key is accessed by a dollar dollar, and value is accessed by a dollar, right? Next, move on to pluck operator. So on this data, you want to get the information, means each bride will submit some information. If you observe this information, right, the first bride submits information about his profession, education qualification, height, city, this all the things. And if you're coming to the second bride, she provides the information called monthly income, and the profession is not provided over here. So you can observe different kinds of different set of information is provided by each bride. And you want to hear what Arun want to provide a bride name, and based on the bride name he want to retrieve what details she provided. So in this example, if you observe this example, right, the URL, there is one query parameter, bride name is equal to Pooja Hegde. So he is passing the Pooja Hegde name, and we need to get the details what the Pooja Hegde provided, like name, age, education qualification, height, monthly income, and city. So these are details provided by the Pooja Hegde, and that thing I will get as a response. Now we'll observe how we retrieve this information using the pluck operator. See, here I am creating a variable. That variable will takes the query parameter, whatever passing the query parameter, right? That will take into say variable bride name. And here I'm iterating over each bride. So I'm iterating the your each bride means entire the brides. And if they have put a condition like if this bride name equal to the name from the query parameter, if the condition satisfies, right, then from that bride pluck dollar dollar. Dollar dollar means, like we discussed earlier, dollar dollar means it a key. Pluck all the keys from that particular bride, right? If what happens, it will iterate first one Rakulpreet and name is not matching because we are passing Pooja Hegde. So it move on to next bride and here name is matching. Then plug the all the keys of this bride, name, age, educational qualification, height, monthly income, city. So that is the output coming over here, right? So this is about the map plug operator. So thank you so much. We'll see the rest of operator in the next part.